So today I just wanted to show you a couple things about what Numa Solutions can do. This is our price list sheet, so you can pick from any price list that you've imported already. You can also create a new price list. So if you go into this price list, you see a couple things, and if you click on the image, then that takes you to the actual Amazon page, so you can see exactly what's going on that ASIN. You can also, if you're looking at camel for history, for sales rank, you can actually do that straight from Numa Solutions. All of the columns are completely customizable. So if you hit edit on a price list, then it will take you to the edit sheet. You can edit the name, of course, and then you can also edit the total number of columns. I'm going to show you all of the available columns in a second, but we have the ability to calculate based off of lowest priced and off buy box. You can also edit, you could add costs or change costs and edit the custom field. Custom fields can be used for the wholesaler ID, for your own MSQs or any other data that you want to make sure that's included in this list. You would just hit save. If you're looking to add products, you can add a single product. And cost and custom field are optional always. So this would be, the code would be either the ASIN or the UPC. And you can also bulk import into a list. So not only to create a new list, but if you were to add to a list, you would just go to import products, and you would import a CSV or Excel file with the columns product code, custom field, and cost. You just hit import, and then those would be back at your price list. If you add a single item, then you can also just hit refresh to show the data. And that's also can be used if you need to refetch new data from Amazon if you want to see any price changes. You see that we also have these little radio tabs right here. You can use those to delete certain items. So maybe you're going to delete the items that you're not going to purchase. You can move items to a new list. So if you wanted to create a list of items that you're going to currently keep in stock or any other kind of list, you can also copy to an existing list, and can also adjust prices. So if you wanted to have run the numbers with a 10% discount, you can do that as well. So we have that. In the My Company, you can that's where you put your marketplace information, as well as you can set a default for what columns are going to show up. So you can have it default to have only certain columns, and you can edit those columns at any time. So let's say you wanted to show, let's see this. So this shows a good chunk of them. We also have this feature here where it's in red. If there's a weight that's not put in to Amazon itself, it will highlight it, so you understand that the any price calculations are going to be based off of kind of our best guess, and not that not all that information is in Amazon. So here is all of the columns that we have available. We have the category, length, width, size dimension, size tier, sales rank, the number of sellers, lowest price, buy box, all the calculations for both of those things, the Amazon, the payout after Amazon fees, and then if you insert the cost, it will actually give you the cost, how much you'll get after the payout. So if I was just to put $10 here, hit save, then once it gets that save there, it'll show you that with that $10 cost, you'll net $7.86 after Amazon fees. The return on investment would be 78.6%. You can also sort by category. So there's most of these columns you can sort by. So if you wanted to see which ones they are, you could also sort by any of the ones that height, weight, length. So if you wanted to sort by size, name, if you needed to sort by ASIN for any reason, you can do all of those things. So I hope that gives you a good idea of what we can accomplish with Numa Solutions. And then also the most important part is we can export everything to a CSV, so you can manipulate the data however you feel, adjusting the columns, sorting through a CSV, and then you have that data with you, and you can use it however you see fit. So that's it for Numa Solutions today.